before the video starts, I just want to say my voice was acting up for whatever reason. I do not know why, but your girl is a little lazy to do it again. So sorry about that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. The most requested, well not most, but pretty requested hair tutorial. I like to start off with something soft, so I like to use pencil graphite. It's something soft as a starter base. I also just like softer looking hair, I guess you could say. And I'm sorry again if you can hear my fan. And I'm not hopefully I don't give you guys heart attacks again with the sound. I think it's good now. Maybe please tell me, because my volume was way too loud on my full outline tutorial, which hopefully I can make one soon again. And also thank you for the support on that was insane. Right now it has 33,000 views. I don't even know how. Also, if you recognize where this song is from, you're elite. Anyways, basically the simplest way to do the hair is that you can create your own style if you really want to, but I personally just like to select and drag it over. You just select exactly where you're gonna put your stroke and do it. That's literally the easiest way you can do it. And for your force fade settings, I just turned it on. You see that it's a little like finger icon. It's next to the four things. That's the second one across. It's on regular force fade settings because I already gave you guys like all the brushes that I use for the hair. I mean, this isn't the exact way I use the hair, but I do use all these brushes for my hair. Unfortunately, you guys will not be getting the force fade settings. I am sorry. I gotta keep some of my secrets. But you already saw today, but today I am doing Kid Jess. She's really aesthetic. Like, wow, could it be me? But all I do is that I just select where you want it to go, and that's literally it. And once I do the base layer of the pencil, I like to go in with a different brush just to add different textures, because I would be copying somebody else's style, because I do know somebody whose style is just like this, but not exactly like this, obviously a lot better. But you don't want to be copying somebody's style, and plus I wasn't intending to do that anyways. But also I just like a little bit more dimension. I like to have a little bit variation with the hair. I'm not known for my hair in the outlining community, not at all. But the hair, it's pretty generic. There's nothing like special to it. So yeah, I get why hair could be confusing, because I struggle with the hair for the most part. But I think my issue is that I was trying too hard to go outside the lines, when really staying in your lines will be the best bet, unless there is no way to do that, unless it's like a bun, which I still need to make a bun tutorial. I'm working on it. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do a bun, because I did a bun on my most recent outline, but I wasn't that proud of it. I'm still trying to figure out different techniques, and once I finally have that down, I will hopefully make a tutorial. I'm not sure when this is going out, because like I said in my previous video, which was my highlight video unless I switched it, I recorded these all the same day, so I'm now just editing them now, so I don't know. And I made a oopsie right there, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the tutorials, because you guys asked for these. But please just use this as like a reference. I mean, that's what I did. Like, when I take my inspiration, I use it as more of a reference than trying to use that exact style. It's okay if you're starting out, but you definitely want to develop into your own style, because I feel like it just makes it more personalized to you, I guess. I don't really know what my style is, to be honest. Like, if somebody asks me what my style was, I do not know. I feel like my style just changes more often. I want to like develop like my own, like I want to be like super unique, but that's a long way away. Also, I recently like saw a comment that like people, they think that like, I guess like, or like on like my Instagram mainly, they'll be like, oh my gosh, you didn't draw this. I never said I did, though. Did I? No, they think that, like, I drew, like, the person. It was like, no. Okay, and then one thing that I like to do with my outlines is that I like to fade in the roots, especially if I brought the hair all the way up there with the color. I definitely want to fade that in. So I'm using flat watercolor opaque for this portion, and you guys will see the brushes in the beginning, so I don't want to hear anybody commenting, what brush did you use? It's literally in the beginning, unless they didn't watch the video. But I mean, I don't mind if you don't watch the video. And I guess, yeah, I think that's like the premise of it. Not really too much. It's very simple still. There's definitely a lot of complex hairstyles that I do not know how they do it. Like, so much talent goes into that and so much time dedication. Yeah, it's a lot. And I like to duplicate it. And that's it. Bye.